Hi guys, it's me, your boy Video Game Streamers, another unboxing. Today, here we have a Panini Revolution Soccer 2021 Premier League, only Premier League for the Premier League. Very nice product. I've opened one box of these off stream and off camera, and I was very happy with the product. I'm hoping I think the odds in this is like a 1 in 3 for an auto, 1 in 3 boxes, which is really good. But let's see if we can pull one in one box and break the odds. Everyone who is on YouTube, thank you guys for watching. This is live on Twitch, unboxed live on Twitch. Video Game Jesus. For those of you guys who have not gone and followed me on Twitch, I do play games, video games. And today, here we have Revolution. So 5 cards, 8 packs, 5 cards per pack of the Revolution. This is, I believe, an Asia exclusive too, but David Adams used to have it. What's this? Oh, it's just alright. Here we go. Pack number 1 of the Revolution. Not the Revolution, the Revolution I'm used to, the Revolution Soccer. Alright. I'm going with a Nathan Redmond. I can barely see his name. This is a, I think I'll tell you when I insert. If it's space, it says nothing. I like Lacazette for Arsenal. We got Lucas Digny. Let's see. We got a Supersonic Paul Pogba. See, Supersonic, and then a Vincente Higuita Infinite. So see that's an insert there. Okay. I believe there's 2 number cards per box, so you do have the chance of getting some numbers. So there's 2 numbered cards per box, and the chances of autos, of course, not guaranteed, but you could get one. So we got a Rodri for Manchester City. I believe this is base. Harry Winks, Tyrone Mings. We got it. Excuse me, Oliver McBurney rookie. This one's base. We got Allison flipped upside down for Liverpool, and that is a disco. Nice. The Revolution is probably one of the best designs and cards that I've seen in a long time. I am a fan of the new Donruss too, which I have been joining so many breaks for Donruss. We got a. I wonder what this black is. I've never seen that. I wonder what that is. We got an Isaac Hayden, Soyuncu. Robbie Brady, and then what's this? Castro. Oh, it's a captain's. Capture Schmeichel Revolution for captains inserts. Then we got a Charlie Taylor, numbered 4 of 10. Wow, what? That is low printed. 4 of 10, Charlie Taylor. Okay, wow. I mean, it's not a number card that you'll be happy with unless you're a Burnley fan, but. Charlie Taylor, 4 of 10. That is insanely low. I need 10 in the world with Charlie Taylor, and I got 4. 4 of 10. Well, we got one more numbered after that. Who would have thought? 4 out of 10. Charlie Taylor. For our first numbered in Revolution. We got a Mark Noble. Oh, just smacked the hell out of my elbow. We got a Mark Noble for West Ham. Let me zoom in a little bit more. See, there we go. Mark Noble. Daniel Furlong rookie for West Ham. That's West Brom. Liam Cooper rookie. Ooh, Tyreek Lamptey rookie. That's a nice one to get. And a Hayden Disco rookie. This is just the base, I believe. Yep, just the base. But he is a good rookie. We got 3 packs left. There are David Beckham models in this product, and that would be insane. Imagine hitting a David Beckham model. We got a blue coming up. Not sure what that's to. We got a Raul Jimenez for Wolves. Higuita for Crystal Palace. Kieran Tierney. Oh, we got a Derby days. Never already once day in my life. Can't wait to go watch the fucking Crystal Palace Brighton Derby. Derby days for that. And then the Raheem Sterling Infinite. Nice. The first time I opened this Revolution, I got a Derby day of Saka with Greenwood, which actually sells for a little bit. Which I was very surprised to see. And it says Derby days. Alright, we got something. I don't think that's an auto. I think that's just a legend card. You got a Danny Ings. Harry Maguire. Yep. Wayne Rooney Revolution. Legend. This can prank you because it's flipped upside down, so you think it's an auto, but it's not. I learned that the hard way. Then Ganga rookie and a Adam Lallana disco. Right, so we're still yet to get our last numbered. I believe there's 2 numbers per pack, per box. I'm not sure if I'm mistaken. I'm not sure what that is. Got a Darwinson Sanchez, James Tarkowski, Minamino, and then Anthony. Oh my God! Anthony Martial autograph. No fucking way, man. That is not what I was expecting at all. I had low expectations, bro. We really pulled the Anthony Martial fucking autograph. Oh my God. No way. And I submerged the auto a little bit because I was like, what is this? Anthony Martial. God damn. Smack my ass. Anthony Martial autograph. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Not expecting that at all. Well, we put an autograph in at a 1 box. I guess that's a dub. Nothing more to say. And then a disco Harry Wings. Wow. Guaranteed by Panini. Nice auto too for Anthony Martial Revolution. Nice. And then our final pack. That just made everything a lot better now. I pulled that. And now we have, I believe this should be, I guess there's only 1 numbered. And then the auto we pulled, which is crazy. Surprisingly, really crazy. Crazy. Thiago Silva, Branson Reed, and a Jamie Vardy disco. Wow, well, that is it, guys. Let me make sure I did not miss any of these inserts, because these are all base, I believe. Base. These guys, base. Yep, base. Yep. Oh, Harrison Reed's a disco. Not numbered. Then we got our inserts here. Infinite Higuita, Paul Pogba, Disco Allison, Casher Michael Captain, Disco, Lamity Rookie, Infinite, Wayne Rooney Legend, Disco. Yeah. Looks like we only got 1 numbered. It was a Charlie Taylor, 4 of 10. And then we end off the box with an autograph of Anthony Martial, the Man United boy. Not numbered, but it is still an autograph, which I'm pretty happy with because he's oh, I think he has potential. But he's been having potential for the last 7 years, and yeah, he has still to go anywhere. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick unboxing of the Panini Revolution Soccer Premier League Asia exclusive. Remember, leave a like and subscribe for those of you who are new. Check out my Twitch channel at Video Game Mises. Also, link will be in the description. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Bye. Nice. Just leave these up. And well, everyone on Twitch, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for stopping by the stream. Everyone have a Merry Christmas Eve, and I'll see you guys on a future stream. Take care, everyone.